I should probably insert a sound effect here. I'm just going to jump into the video. Okay. What's up, party people in a place to be? Welcome to the experiment lab. So what I'm doing is I am, as you can see, the back office of my YouTube. You see the little tube buddy thing in the corner there. I'm going to try it out because I need to get this YouTube channel into shape. To give you a little bit of my background, I have been teaching online. I've been on YouTube for about 10 years, and I got like 6,000 subscribers, and nobody knows who I am on YouTube. That's fine. So I'm essentially starting a brand new channel for the most part because the numbers are just not there. But I thought the first experiment to do is to get this YouTube channel actually up and functioning because, as you can see, I have my videos. I have about 87 videos uploaded total out of 10 years. That's not a lot. My first thing that I have to do is I have to upload all of these videos. Now, this all together, I have them broken down into categories. So overall, I have to upload about 100 videos. These are all my Clip Studio videos for now. I got book reviews that I've had for a while. Oh, those are more Clip Studio videos. I'm going to concentrate more on brushes. Krita, I'm going to upload a bunch of videos there. These used to be courses that I had when I had a Teachable. And I am also still currently on a platform. So let me show you everything that I have because it's important. This is me. It's my art page. It's got 620 followers, mostly people who I've taught art to. This is my private group for my art students. The vast majority of them come from Udemy. That's my Udemy page. I have 114,000 students, 16,000 reviews. I'm a pretty highly rated instructor. As you can see, 4.4, 4.5, 4.9, all 4 point something. So I unpublished a lot of my software kind of courses. They weren't doing as well, and people weren't signing up for them. That's what I look like. Face reveal, plot twist. There you go. I recently reopened, took a lot of my videos and put them back on my Gumroad course. Now, I normally don't like to show this stuff like this, but these are old numbers. So this $322, that's what I made when I first started to upload products on the internet, right? Then this was in 2014. So this is an old number, so I don't mind showing you this. I'm not here to show you, hey, how you can make $1,000 a day doing blah, blah, blah with no artistic talent. I want to show you that I am an actual artist. And this is important to me. So where was I at? So this is the front part of my Gumroad page. These are all my art lessons. I'm showing you this to say that I am not a hire an artist or do this thing. All of this I am approaching from the standpoint of an artist, of an instructor, and I'm using my Digital 39. That's the name of my actual registered business, my company that I've had. I've also owned businesses in the past. Just to give you a little perspective on my age, I'm about to be 50 years old this year. I have done sales, and when I say sales, I mean I've done sales. If you've ever seen the movie Boiler Room or Glengarry Glen Ross or Wall Street, never did stockbroker. I was never a stockbroker, but I've done a lot of high pressure sales in the past. Please don't make me go back to that. It's a minefield. You don't get to swim with the sharks in those kind of sales. You have to become the shark. It's not pleasant. I don't think so, but you learn a lot. I recently opened up an Etsy shop and I have one sale, which I'm like, okay, considering I have one product, I got one sale. So, and I've only had it for like 30 days. And I made another sale with my Gumroad since I've made a few sales. And I used to have a Teachable. I no longer have Teachable. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to do a video about all of these separate things. But I thought no matter who watches this or who does not watch this, giving you some insight into a starting point, because everybody wants to show you when it's going good and tell you what they did. I want to show you this at the starting point. So let me get rid of, so we saw this. These are my products. That's my Etsy shop. I will have the links below to all of this. Now, here's a little inside baseball, as they say. I am going to put all my links down below. I've seen other people who have YouTube channels and they're trying to document their journey going, well, I don't want this to taint the purity of this test, etc., or something to that effect. I want to be able to show you the marketing. Look, your YouTube channel is a part of your marketing. Of course, I'm going to put my links below so that you can check them out. It doesn't make a difference if the traffic is just from the video. That's a good thing. I'm telling you from a salesperson's point of view, traffic is traffic. So I'm going to get rid of that and that and that and that. So I want you to join me on this journey. I'm going to show you some of the tools that I'm using. I'm always going to upload art videos because I think that's important, whether I'm just creating art or I'm uploading some tutorials. I have 100 tutorials coming, which is just, it's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to do a video documenting everything that I possibly can. So it's going to have a mixture of things, for me uploading some of my speed drawing. Well, they're not speed drawings. Procreate makes it easy. I just found out that I tried out Adobe Fresco again, the newest version. I am very impressed. I was not expecting to be impressed with Adobe Fresco because I tried it before and I didn't like it. So, you know what? That's all that I want to do because that's about it. I think that's it. Okay. So I want you to join me. Like, share, subscribe, and just let's walk on this little journey that I'm about to be on as I start uploading stuff and see what happens and try and tagging things properly and I will be using TubeBuddy because I forgot that I actually paid for TubeBuddy a few months ago when I signed up. It was Black Friday, I think, and I just was, it's a deal. That's what happens, right? All right, guys. And to all of my peeps and students that know me from art, I'm still going to be uploading art things because I am an artist. So there you go. And one more thing I want to say. I'm going to be doing some experiments. I am going to be trying out some AI image generation tools and giving my impressions on that, on what they are, how I would use them, and things of that nature. I will be using some marketing tools for AI. And if I ever use something like that, I'm just going to tell you up front, any link below would be an affiliate link, and your links should be affiliate links too. I don't want to BS anyone and pretend and get into this whole thing about, oh guys, I just love to create content and videos for you guys, and I really look. That's not who I am. This is I am an artist. I love to teach people. I enjoy teaching. I became very successful at it, which is why I never had a portfolio, because I was making money with my art right away almost. And part of that is I got lucky, but I don't want to sit up here and say, oh, hey guys, I never giving you the whole normal YouTuber thing, saying things like, hey guys, I never want to, I always want to tell you everything personally. I'm not going to tell you everything in my personal life. It's silly. I'm not going to do that, but I am going to document as much of this as I can. I'm not going to show you necessarily how much money I'm making, because you should never disclose that information online. Please don't do that. It's just, to me, it's just nothing but trouble. And so sometimes you will see me blur out things, right? So, and I'm always going to tell you what I'm doing. So this video right here is to start my documentation. This is probably not going to be any sort of popular videos. video, I average maybe a few hundred views if I'm lucky. But I can't do a YouTube channel about art without talking about the business of art, because I have been in the business of art for about 10 years. I have been making a full-time living as an artist and a creative for about 8 years, and I have that's what I do. So I have to tell you this, because there's a lot of people out there, and there's no diss to them. I've done sales. I'm really terrible at marketing, but I'm going to get better. But there's a lot of people out there who, you guys have seen the videos, and there's nothing wrong with that, but but it is a little bit different when you, as an artist, you're like, you know what? I think I want to make an adult coloring book. That would be cool, right? And then you see a lot of videos and they're like, how you can make an adult coloring book or a coloring book or a kid's activity book or something like that with no artistic talent, or here's how you can get free art. And as an artist, you're like, well, I know how to draw. Like, what? Okay, I'll look. And yes, you should also look at channels that treat art as a business, because as artists, we need to start treating art as a business. So I think I've taken up a lot of your time. Please subscribe. I'm going to stop talking.